A facility like this has been used taxpayers' money to build. It is destroyed for selfish reason, just to please somebody. It's unfortunate. I'm calling on the security agency. From what I've seen, the security is even compromised.
Yes, exactly. Yes.
They were shooting at me.
The executive governor.
They were shooting at me. This operation was shooting at me directly. But it doesn't matter. Somebody will die.
Yes.
I had some people gathered here to do whatever. That is purely rubbish. Purely rubbish.
Yes.
You cannot sit when there is a problem and you say you're doing anything. What are you doing? I'm the chief security officer. I'm the head of the government.
Savannah!
The person that should come, declare the place, and create an alternative place for assembly to sit. So whatever action that is taken here is none and void. So for our good people of River State, I know you're prayerful. You've been praying for me. God will say, Amen.
Amen.